This is why your mom told you never to play ball in the house. Now for the real fun, replacing this glass. So come in here, you'll see this little ledge needs to be clean for the next glass. So just kind of make sure it's all good. So this glass came out of here, show them in here, in between this crack. So all of this glazing needs to come out so it looks like this. Also, while you're cleaning it, you see this little spike right here? This needs to come out too. There'll be either a diamond or a little Mitsubishi looking emblem. See, here's a little diamond right here. Take that out too. This is what you do not want to do.
Dink.
That was a big one.
Make sure that all of your glazier points are out of your window frame ledge. If you miss even one of them and go to put in your glass, it's going to ruin your day. Now when it comes to measuring, go from the very edge to the very edge. And then you want about 1/8 of an inch gap on each side. So take off 1/4 inch from your total edge to edge measurement.
27 3/4.
You have two options when it comes to buying glass. You can go and have it cut, or you can watch my video and I can show you.
Today, I'm going to show you that cutting glass is as easy as this.
It's simple and it'll save you a lot of money. But today, I'm going to the hardware store where they're never too busy to help an old lady into her car. Here, they just slam it onto a table, transfer the measurements you give them, and take it to a cutting wheel, which is the exact thing I teach you how to do in my video. Next, vacuum out your window frame.
The person really should have gloves on, even for this, but, oh well. Now take these little guys, put them on here, and then press him against about 1/3 of the way, and then you just press him in. Get some window glazing.
Caulking in general is hard to get a good, beautiful bead, and especially this window glazing. So don't stress about it if you can't get it right. You can either flatten it out later or remove it with a putty knife or a razor's edge. Here's how much everything costs. You can see it's pretty cheap, and I already had the window glazing, but that's under 10 bucks on Amazon. I'll have links below in the description on everything here you can buy, even the glass if you want, on Amazon.
Looks good enough if you stand far enough back.
If you like my style of content, consider subscribing. And if you like this video, smash the like button just like I smashed that baseball through the glass. If it oozes out, you can manipulate it after it sets up a little bit with a straight edge. As you can see, this is an easy DIY project. So get off of here, go do it, or go watch a few of my other videos.